guys, today I'm doing a review of the SwitchBot S10.
All right, so SwitchBot was nice enough to send this to Wyatt. This is the SwitchBot S10 robot vacuum and mop. So this one is so cool because it is actually 100% hands-free. So it has the vacuum with the base, with the charging base, and then it also has a separate station that you can hook up to your plumbing. So it will drain the dirty water on its own, it will refill it with clean water, and everything is hands-free. You actually don't have to do anything. So we've had this one for a couple weeks now, and we are very impressed with it, and Wyatt's gonna tell you a little bit about it. All right.
So we have like the bag in here, and it comes with an extra bag.
Extra bag. So this is a 4-liter bag, and they say it holds up to 90 days of dirt.
And this is the LiDAR sensor. It navigates when it's mapping your house. It knows what it's doing.
Yeah. And then it has a little camera on the front too for obstacle avoidance. All right, you want to flip it over so we can see the bottom of it?
And it has lights.
And it does have lights, so it can see in the dark too.
And this is the dustbin.
That's where the dustbin is. Comes with a little brush to clean it out.
And then we have the wheels and a side brush.
Has an anti-tangle rubber brush, so hair doesn't get stuck in it. So another really cool feature of this one is that it has a rolling mop. So it is actually continuously washing the mop the whole time the robot is cleaning, and it scrapes off the dirty water and fills the little wastewater tank there. Wyatt, can you show us where it is?
Wastewater tank removed.
So it puts all the dirty water in there, and that way it is continuously cleaning your floors with a clean mop. Yeah, is it gross? A little bit. It also has auto-retract technology, so it lifts the mop whenever it detects carpet. So it's never getting your carpet wet.
Yeah.
So you do have the option to buy an external water tank, which is over here. And it has a dirty water tank and a clean water tank, and you can use this if you have no interest in hooking it up to your plumbing. But honestly, it was so easy to do, I don't see why you wouldn't do it. So can you go show us the plumbing?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. So Wyatt and his dad were able to get this hooked up in really about 5 minutes. It was very simple. And we chose to hook it up in the laundry room. You can hook it up under your sink or wherever is convenient for you. And this is where it empties all the dirty water, refills it with clean water, and does everything on its own. Pretty cool, right? Okay, you ready to have it clean? All right, let's go.
Initiating cleaning. Locating. Locating successful. Wetting roller mop.
So it's gonna wet the mop on its own. It's already mapped the entire house. It's ready to go. It knows exactly where the water station is, and it's gonna go clean. All right, so the boys have made a little bit of a mess here with some confetti, so let's see how well it can clean. Wyatt, it has picked up almost every piece of confetti.
Yeah, it did.
Look at what a good job it did.
And look at tiny one.
That is very impressive. You want to show us how much confetti's in there? Wow, it did a really good job.
Yeah.
Dustbin returned.
All right, so now he's gonna go self-empty.
Okay, got it. Going back to charge now. Locating.
All right, so now we're gonna test it out with some Cheerios. Boys, I made a little Cheerio mess. Let's see how it does.
Cleaning completed. Okay, got it. Going back to charge now.
All right, so it did leave a couple of Cheerios behind, but overall, it did a pretty good job. So this is the true test here. The kids have colored with crayon on the tile floor. So let's see if it can actually mop it up.
Yes. I hope it's going to.
Yeah, me too.
Get this in here. Look. Look here. The crayon. Here we go. The cereals.
Finally got those Cheerios you left behind.
Yeah. Oh. I hope he peeks on my house. Go see he picks on my dinosaur.
So you gonna mop up your dinosaur?
Let's leave a little behind. Yay, 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 yay.
Your dino!
Your dinosaur! He destroyed.
All right, get out of the way so you can clean.
Oh, look at it! Your dinosaur's there. He's been Aiden. He's been Aiden.
So we changed it on the app so it is gonna make 2 passes. So
Yeah, look at
it'll
look at
clean
Mommy's
once
one.
and then change directions and clean the other way.
And it can get my dinosaur again.
It's gonna go over it again. Hopefully it can clean it all up.
I got my son. No, my son in my house. Oh no, he sucked in my house. Look at it. I love my perfect dinosaurs. Your house.
All right, get out of the way.
Wyatt, your house. Yeah, I know, it's destroyed. My dinosaur is destroyed. My dinosaur! What about my dinosaur? Yeah, I did.
I think Sawyer approves. So it left behind just a little bit of crayon.
That's okay.
That's okay. Overall, it did pretty good.
Uh-huh.
Cleaning completed. Returning to wash.
I want to see the mop.
Put me back on the floor.
Wow.
I've been paused.
So it's cleaning the mop the entire time. So look at that. The mop is nice and clean. So now it's gonna go change out the water.
Yeah. It got everything.
Exchanging water.
All right, it's emptying out all that dirty water. And then it's gonna fill it up with clean water. So cool, right?
I watched it yesterday while I was doing it.
Water refill completed. Starting to deep clean.
Now it's gonna clean the brush.
Cool.
That's so cool.
This is the best robot that I ever had.
I know. I think this one's my favorite now too.
Water refill completed. Washing waste filter.
So it's cleaning out that tiny little canister that holds the wastewater.
Okay, got it. Going back to charge now.
And now he's gonna go back to charge.
Charging. Starting to empty dust. Dry roller mop.
And now it's gonna dry the roller mop. And you can set how long you want it to dry for. I think we have ours set for about 4 hours. So gets rid of all that bacteria. So Wyatt thinks this is the coolest thing about this robot vacuum. It actually has a light on for whenever it's cleaning in the dark.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Has its own little flashlight, huh bud?
Yeah. That's so cool.
So here's the app on the phone. It was very easy to get set up to Wi-Fi. It's already mapped out the entire house. And here you can see it is cleaning in real time. So all of the white lines are where it has already cleaned. And then you can see it's over here continuing to clean in this room. So you can set no-go zones like we've done over here. You can set a virtual wall if there's somewhere where it's getting stuck. You can map out different floors of your house, like here. You can set a schedule. Here is the maintenance section. It will tell you when you're due for replacements. So pretty straightforward. Okay, Wyatt, give us your final review of the SwitchBot. Do you recommend it?
20 out of 10.
All right, me too. It's awesome.